Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a Amazon haul, kind of showing the new things that I've gotten over the past couple of weeks. I also want to mention that Thanksgiving is tomorrow, so you might hear my kids that are upstairs that I can already hear out of their rooms. Alright, I'm going to start with the boring stuff first just to kind of get it out of the way. I ended up buying another one of the Nature's Nutrition Immunity Vitamin Gummies. I get this for my kids. My older kids have started taking pills, but my younger two still do gummies. So I give them each one a day. It is meant to have two, but I believe these are for adults, which is why I do just one, but just trying to help give them a little bit more immunity support during the flu season. The next thing that is a repurchase is the OxyClean White Revive. I love this stuff. I think it works great. It definitely helps with my whites, so I went and got another pack. I love having to just throw one of these in instead of pouring bleach. I just felt like bleach splattered everywhere. I was never good at it as far as pouring it. So this works perfect for me, and I highly recommend those if you'd rather not use bleach but use something like that. And I'm not even sure if these are that healthy for you. How would I know? I mean, is bleach healthy at all anyway? I don't know. I don't know. You let me know if you know. Alright, the next thing that is also a repurchase is this. It's by Fresh Healthcare. It's their Moringa, I believe is how you say that. I have been taking this since last September. I met someone when I was in Arizona, and she actually has a plant and eats the plant, but it's hard, I guess, to grow where I live, or I'm not sure. I did eat the plant when I was there with her, and it was okay. It was like eating grass, but I would rather take it in a capsule form, and I just take 2 of these a day. It's supposed to help with your immunity. I think the reason she told me about it was her daughter, who is susceptible to getting cancer, takes this to help something with that. I don't know. There's a lot of good benefits from it. I mean, to me it was like not a big deal to add it in. It couldn't hurt me. And I have to say, I feel healthiest when I take this. So I definitely recommend it. Do your research. I don't even know. All I know is it's a plant. It's all I know. Supports skin and anti-aging. So that's always good to know. But I like it. And this is probably my 4th bottle. You get 180 of them. So this lasts you, what, 3 months? Yeah, 3 months. So yeah, it's probably my 4th bottle, because there was a month or 2 that I didn't take it, and I could definitely feel a difference in my health. So highly recommend that, or at least looking into it and seeing what you think. Alright, I also got one of these. So when I was in the hospital, I had, I didn't walk for a few weeks, and so I had drop foot, if you look up what that is. Anyways, and now I have feet problems. I can now not walk on my tiptoes. I used to, like, in the morning I'd walk on my tiptoes. It was I had to wear shoes. It was very hard to put my heels actually down. And that's just from being in a bed and your feet just slowly fall. And so then when you stand up, your calf muscle, as I'm using my arm, your calf muscle is tight, which is why you tend to walk on your tiptoes. And then it's just trying to get that muscle to relax. And I have to say, out of habit, I will still walk on my tiptoes, especially in the morning, but I am pretty much back to normal as far as that part goes. But my feet sensitivity is extreme, especially the balls of my foot. So I saw this. It is a massager for your feet, and I thought maybe this would stimulate my foot enough to help release some of that pain, because the pain is really from nothing, and it's just here and there. Like I could not even be walking on it, and all of a sudden I have like really bad pain in the, you know, the arch of my foot, I guess, not the ball, the arch. And so I thought this might be good to kind of stimulate it a little bit, but it's soft and gentle. It feels like a stone, but like a very smooth one, but I know it's probably not. I don't know what it is. It just came in a little box like this. It just says a massage ball blue. So that's why I got that. We'll see how this goes. I'm hopeful that it'll help. I'm hoping it'll also be good for someone who has plantar fasciitis. Oh, I don't remember what it's called. It's where it's kind of another foot thing, and I've had this before too a few years ago. Anyways, I'm thinking that might help any of those plantar fasciitis. I don't even know how to say it, but if you know what I mean, it can help sometimes that stuff too. All right, the next thing that I picked up, and I think I might return. It came in just a little bag like this. Let me open it. But it is scrunchies with a bow, and I thought this would be really cute, especially because my hair is short, and so it looks kind of funny to tie something around my hair. So I thought this might give the illusion that I have something tied, but it's not really that big. But I don't like the quality of these. They feel, I thought they would be more silk or silky feeling, not necessarily made of silk, but silky feeling, and they're kind of coarse. It did come with a snake print, cheetah print, and maybe another snake print that's brown. I don't know, you got 3 of them. And then it also had this cute little tie in here. Kind of has a little bead on it. Very cute. So, and I want to say it was only like $6 or $7. I'm not sure. Again, everything will be linked down below. Or not again, I think I'm saying that for the first time. Everything will be linked down below. But I don't know if I want to keep these. They just kind of feel, I thought they would be softer. So I haven't used them, but I wasn't totally happy. I don't know, maybe let me know. Maybe you can't find them silky. Maybe this is the softest it gets and I'm just being, I mean, this one's a little bit softer. It's more like the snake print has kind of a texture to it, which I don't really like. So I don't know what I'm gonna do about that, but I got those. So I don't know about you, but in our house, earphones go missing all on their own. And just like our phone cords, we like have someone or a ghost that comes in and steals our phone cords and our earphones. Just can't figure out who it is. So I'm constantly buying earphones. So I found this little pack, and I want to say it was not that expensive, like maybe $8 or $9, and it came with 3. So we have iPhones and we have Android. I am an Android user as well as my husband, but a couple of my kids have iPhones. So it's kind of nice because we know no one can steal the iPhones. It's more of the Android that the person comes and steals in our house. So I thought I would get different colors. That way we could say, okay, black is yours, so no one should ever have a black pair. Came with a white pair and a red pair. I haven't pulled these out because right now everyone has their own pair. No one has gotten them stolen. That thief hasn't come back. But these aren't my favorite. They're probably cheap quality. I did make sure they have a speaker because they do use these on their phone, mostly to listen to music, but also movies or shows and stuff, but they can also talk on it. They kind of all wanted a microphone, but they feel nice. They actually feel really good quality. I do like when they don't have the little rubber thing on them because that I can feel like gets lost. So I do like that they don't have that. I mean, again, for $10, they're probably not going to be the best quality, but I'm not really picky. I don't know why some people have to spend so much on this stuff because I don't know. I guess I'm just not picky. As long as I can hear what I want to listen to and it sounds good, that's all I really need. So I got these. Hopefully no one comes and steals those. And then I also, okay, so I don't want, maybe I have mine here. I don't want AirPods. I always call them AirPods. I don't feel like the cost is really that great. Or not that great, it's not that great, but I don't feel like the cost, I don't know. To me, it doesn't matter. I don't really care. Like I said, as long as I can hear really well, I'm fine. I have this little earbud that I got probably 3 or 4 years ago on Amazon. It only came with one. It has a little rubber thing that I hate because I've lost it once and couldn't even use this until I found it. So it only came with one, but I can talk on it with my phone. I can listen to videos. I can listen to music. I can do what I need to do. It works perfect. I don't feel like the need to have the little thing hanging out of my ear. But they're not noise canceling, and I have no noise canceling headphones. I am someone who, I do like a wired headphone. I don't know why. I don't like the idea that this can die, and especially if I'm not at home and then I can't use it. So maybe that makes me old, but I like to have wired headphones. I have like 2 or 3 in my purse as like backups just in case. And I usually only use this at home. I never really use it out of the house because if it dies, it's no use, no good for me. But I wanted some of a noise canceling option, but I kind of wanted them wired. So I found these headphones, and these were like 30 bucks, which is way more than I would ever pay for a wired headphone. But it has the noise canceling option, not option, they are noise canceling. So I thought I would give them a try. They actually feel exactly like these that were $8 for 3. So that's why I haven't really pulled these out to know if I really want to keep them. I haven't even used them yet. They're like falling all out. But I don't know, maybe I'll put them in and I'll be like, wow, the sound quality is amazing. I mean, I don't really need, I guess, noise canceling. I don't know. My son has some of those Raycon earbuds, so that's what he opted of getting. He used some of his birthday money to buy those. They are amazing. I liked the idea of the noise canceling, which is kind of what got me on these. But I'm thinking I might just return these, spend $40 more and get the Raycons. But they're not wired, so that's the only thing I hate. This does come with a little pouch, which is kind of nice. Anyways, I got these as an option. We'll see. I don't know if I'll end up keeping it, or maybe I'll let you guys know what of this stuff I ended up not liking. So that is all the non-skincare items I got. I do buy a lot of skincare on Amazon. I love that I can try out a lot of Korean brands, Japanese brands, just, you know, indie brands, I guess. So I am really into oils and serums. So I got a couple oils, a serum, and then another repurchase. So I'll show the repurchase first. So I bought another one of these, I'm not gonna say it right, am I? Sukuyaka Suhada Urea Moisture Lotion. And I think I did say it right. I have one, this is my second bottle. I have one, it's not even, it's like probably that much left, still a ton, but I kind of want to start using this in the morning. So I do my skincare down here in the morning, and I do my night skincare up in my bedroom, and I'm too lazy, I guess, to bring this down and up. I just feel like it will get forgotten, and then I'll be asking my husband or my kids to get it because I won't want to get it, and I just thought I'll get another one. It's only like 20 bucks, but I want to say I've been using my other one for about 4 months, 5 months maybe, and like I said, I'm only down to here. It's very liquidy. I just like get like 3 or 4 drops or squirts or whatever, and that covers my face, my neck, my décolleté, my hands, and I love the way my face feels using this. I know I got this recommendation from Penn Smith, but I also know Miss Melissa M Beauty or something like that. Sorry, I'm terrible with names. I know she raves about it, and she also got it from Penn Smith Beauty, and yeah, I think it's totally worth it. I want to see if I can notice a bigger difference using it morning and night. So that's kind of why I wanted to get another one. So I bought, that's a repurchase. The next 3 items are not repurchases. So I'll start with the serum. I got the Tranex Deer Serum. This is a recommendation from as well Melissa M Beauty, Miss Melissa M Beauty. I really like her channel. I'll put a link in the bottom. Not that, I'm sure most of you have heard of her. She's pretty big on YouTube. She recommended this in her, was it just affordable skincare, or maybe it was Korean skincare. I'm not sure, but it looks like this. She said it was amazing. I want to try it. It's for dark spot corrector, skin brightening, and anti-aging serum. So I'm going to give this a try. I am so excited to try this out. Yeah, I'm really excited. It looks like a really nice serum. So plus you get a really big size. I can't remember what this cost. I'll have it here, but it was like 17. I hate guessing. Under 20 for sure, under 20. So I feel like if you can find a really good serum for that much, it's definitely worth it. The last two products are oils. So I've been hearing a lot about carrot seed oil, and so I wanted to try some of this. I do use squalene oil, I've used rosehip seed oil, and I use argan oil. Is that it? I think that's it. And I have other oils for my hair, but as far as for my face, I think those are the only three. So I wanted to try carrot seed oil. I'm not even sure what it's supposed to be good for, but supposedly it's supposed to be good. Let me know if you've used it. I'm excited to try that. And then last is kiwi seed oil. I got this just because the idea of it from a kiwi sounds so neat. I don't know. Again, I don't know what this is supposed to do. It just says it's for face, body, and hair, so I'll probably try it on all of it, but I got that. And again, these were probably, I would say under 10, but I want to say under 15 to be sure. But I'll have prices, links down below. This is everything that I've been ordering, or I have ordered from Amazon in the last few weeks. Kind of random stuff, but let me know what you have been getting on Amazon. I'm always interested to see what everybody else gets. You can find some really good stuff that are like you would never know you needed. And yeah, as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.